Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to clear the filters in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So let's say that you've received a spreadsheet and you notice, oh, it looks like there's only the region for North right here. And I can also tell this has been filtered out because all of my rows are not in sequential order. It's going from 2 to 6 to 10 to 14, etc. So if I look at the icon right up here, I can see that this means there is a filter turned on. So if I click there, I can select this box that says select all, and that will check all of my regions. And then when I say OK, I can see that I really do have a larger underlying data set right here. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Now, if you're working with a data set and you don't have these arrows up here, let's say you got a data set that looks like this, and you decide that you would like to be able to filter out your data. Well, if you highlight your data set and go over here to the data ribbon, you can just click the filter button right here. And this will automatically make your first row be able to have filters. So now if I click on the down arrow, I can uncheck the select all and just pick any region that I would like to see, or even more than one region, and say OK. And now I can see all of South and West. And again, if I have this icon at the top, I know that there is a filter turned on. So I can click that and hit select all again and say OK. So we go over filtering a little bit more out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.